This is a big shipment, yo. Oh my God. All right, but I'm almost done. It's 30, 31, 32. Wrap these shits up. Yo, let me get the Bustelo.
Open the door, please.
Hello?
Open the door, please.
Hello? Hey,
open the door.
I'm Officer Yessina. I'm Officer Yessina. Give me 1 second. I'm not decent right now.
Get on the floor.
Get on the floor. Whoa. Excuse me. Okay. What's going on here?
Oh my fucking God. Yessina?
Yessina?
Oh, you fucking think you know abroad?
I mean, like
it's you moving these fucking bricks?
No, I mean, not really. Like, I'm just holding.
We tracked the shipment to your apartment. It's right there. I see your uniform. I see your gun.
I mean, like, not really.
Oh my God.
You know me. Like, I just be hanging blood, nigga.
I took you under my wing.
Like, listen.
You fucking wing.
Prosciutto, listen. I'm sorry. Look, all I wanted to do was just like expand my income revenue streams.
You went from being a phlebotomist to being the #1 sergeant in Bronx NYPD, and now you're moving bricks. You're a piece of garbage.
I know.
And on International Women's Day?
Oh, man. But I saw the J-Lo show. It empowered me, yo. You know what I'm saying? It empowered me to follow my dreams.
Well, I hope it empowers you to enjoy Rikers when you're making mascara using oil you got from a door hinge, and then you get released and you end up on Love After Lockup?
But guess what, nigga? I was on the boat 4 times and I fucked all them bitches out.
All right, well, you know what?
That's right.
Enjoy getting your choach eaten from the back for 10 years.
Oh, my God. Yo, do the drop. I'm about to drop on Shorty's face for 20 years. Oh, my God. They did me dirty. Prosciutto, you did me dirty, nigga. Damn,
you did it to yourself.
I thought we was people.
You did it to yourself.
God damn, yo.
I hope you enjoy Mid-State when you have to melt coffee cup lids into a dildo for your pleasure.
Guess what? I hope my cousin Julio gets his fucking son a fucking hot bag that's fatal, nigga. Oh, chill. You got it.
Get in the back of the van. Do the drop.
Do the drop. I'm sorry.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Oh, Lordy. Episode 150. 150 of these wild-ass episodes. Wow,
fam. You know what I'm saying? We did it.
You're welcome. We did it, America.
Hi, Mom. I'm going to Disney World.
It's the Bodega Boys. How come no one's ever like, hey, Mom, I'm going to Legoland?
You know what I'm saying?
Legoland's going to be lit, though. You going, right?
Yeah.
Shout out to Mero, dad of the year, taking his kids to Legoland. Throw up your double L's, nigga. If you see a wild pack of Dominican
recipes,
if you see...
Throw your L's up.
Y'all know about that real hip hop.
Premier's gonna jump us after when we come. He's gonna be like,
Thanks for keeping hip hop alive.
Yo, thank you. I had no idea I sounded like this, right?
Oh, shout out to DJ Premier.
For the longest, I thought Guru's voice was DJ Premier's voice. Like, and then I just saw them on video together, and I was like, oh, wow. Hip hop. That's a hip hop history lesson.
Oh,
motherfucker.
Shit. I mean, we all thought that too, because I was like, it was like Eric B and Rakim. I always thought Eric B was rapping.
Yep.
And my sister was like, are you stupid?
The wild goon. Yeah.
She was like, are you stupid? I was like, no. He was like, nah. The guy looks like Al Sharpton is the one making the beats. And I was like,
yo, he did it. Yo, my man looked at the wild 80s politician. All he needed was a Sergio Tashini suit.
Oh, shit.
He would have been lit.
Woo. He had the wild Dookie gold chain back when
that shit was sanctioned.
I think Black America lost, I want to say, $100 trillion in the 80s on just Dookie gold chains and Dapper Dan suits.
Yeah, now Tracy Morgan has all of them.
All of them.
I'll make him do with the scorpion piece. I was like, damn, nigga. That's like some, I had bricks in the 87 shit. Like.
That's little. I still got bricks on the street. What you want?
Yo, shout out to the guy. You know what I'm saying? And shout out to the GOAT.
It's not. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yo.
Yo, about that Gangstar royalty with Casey and JoJo.
Yo.
Just singing a goon.
Yeah, they sing some good shit on this. Go ahead.
There's like the wild montage of me on different world studying for the midterms and shit.
Whatever I do, best than the rest.
I got the wild Kente cloth bookmark.
You fall asleep and shit. Like one of your Kwanzaa candles burns you. You wake up. Gotta keep studying.
Shit.
Gotta keep studying. Gotta keep studying.
Oh, man.
Nigga, incense burn, falls out the shit, lights a dorm on fire. Like, oh shit, oh no.
Oh, no. I burned down Gilbert Hall. That's a different. We should bring back a different world.
Word. You know what I'm saying?
We should bring back everything we want to bring back. Everyone else is gonna steal anyway. So maybe we don't.
Maybe we just set up about bringing back shows because y'all niggas already fucking on the dick.
They're like, oh, we bring it back without Desus and Mero, even though Desus and Mero were the ones that had it, talking about it for 2 fucking years.
Wow.
All right?
Wow.
So when I remake Small Wonder, and it's about my secret family, where my daughter happens to be a robot, and it's very problematic.
Yes.
It's very convoluted. For some reason, she has the GPS from my Real House program, and she keeps showing up. And my wife is like, who is this robot? I'm like, I don't know.
Yo, I don't know. She's like,
hello, daddy. Hello, daddy. I'm like,
Daddy,
Get out of here, Vicky.
She's not like
go
Kendrick
back to
Lamar.
the
It's
saga.
like, yo, I am your daughter.
I don't know. Whose robot is this?
I sound like Kendrick Lamar.
Throw mad
I'm
water.
your daughter.
It's the 80s, so I throw water on her and she sparks. And niggas arrest me for murdering a child. I did not murder her.
I did not.
Speaking of goons singing on rap tracks, I think Project GMB, when they sung with MOP.
Yeah.
Them niggas. These are definitely niggas that will street harass you if you're a woman. You walk past them on the corner.
What's up, bitch?
What's up, bitch, with the fat ass?
Yo, what's up, bitch? What your pussy smell like?
Yeah.
Like, that's like their lead single. Like, what your pussy smell like? Like, whoa,
shit.
whoa.
Available now from CBS Records, the Street Harassment Boys. With their #1 single, You're Not That Cute, Bitch.
Bitch, you not that popping.
Oh, and their B-side. Why you crossing the street, ho?
The remix featuring Floyd Mayweather.
Wow.
Psych, that nigga can't read.
He's
Look at that nigga sheet of lyrics. He's like,
we doing drops for a radio station?
I mean, why would you expect the nigga that got punched in the head forever to be able to read properly?
I mean, you know what? I don't clock other people's money, but he has a lot of money.
Yes.
It just
he wants you to know that. He wants you to know that.
It just seems he could be doing better with it. It seems he has like a grudge against humanity. He's like, I have all this money and I am not going to share it.
I don't care.
And not only that, I'm going to waste it and throw it in y'all face.
That's right.
I kind of respect that.
You know what I'm saying?
I like that energy.
I'm not gonna give you money. I'm gonna light it on fire instead.
Mm-hmm.
Like the fucking Joker and Batman and shit. Like, fuck y'all. That's he probably did that shit the same day he saw Batman. Niggas went to his crib, just put mad millions of dollars in the stack and just lit it on fire. Like, fuck money. I made this shit. I don't care.
No need to do that. Oh man.
Yeah, those some wild.
So
like,
y'all know, you know what I'm saying.
Oh shit! I see it. I see the wheels turning. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, hit me with it.
You know, we're trying to report on the news here.
That's right.
Okay, here we go.
Yo, shit. WPIX 11. They still use motherfucking 80s rock for the intros. So you know the shit is washed and semi-local. Da-na-na-na.
Okay, now you're probably wondering what that intro was about.
Yes.
NYPD cop found guilty of running drug trafficking operation out of her Bronx apartment.
And guess her name.
Yessina Jimenez. Jimenez? Yes. 32 years old. And her boyfriend, Luis Soto. Shout out to Luis. Everyone knows a Luis Soto.
Yeah, no, Luis Soto, like, wasn't he like a utility infielder for the Yankees
Yes, he
for
was.
like 30 years?
She used her Bronx apartment as a stash house where they kept kilos of heroin, fentanyl, cocaine that they brought in the U.S. from Mexico, along with hundreds of thousands of dollars in drug money, prosecutors say. She dealt the drugs in New York and Boston.
Wow.
Her operation came crashing down in January 2018 when Soto's phone number showed up on a phone record of a drug trafficking operation. Suspect from Queens.
Law and Order.
In March 2018,
unit.
after she and Soto found members of joint DEA and NYPD task force waiting outside their home after they returned from a trip to Massachusetts to meet a heroin trafficker.
Wow.
The handle of her NYPD issued Glock 9mm was sticking out her purse, which was stuffed with $25,000 cash.
Wow.
And when she got caught, she was like, I'm on the job.
I'm on the job.
Like, Ma, you gotta have other people like,
I'm on the job. And her white shirt showed up like,
shut up, my nigga, shut up.
and then she got the mandatory minimum if you're a cop doing that is 10 years. It should be a lot higher.
Yeah,
if you're a cop, it's like, and you do some illegal shit, it should be off the rip 25 years.
Yeah, like
they
yo,
gotta be afraid of shit.
on.
Also, shout out to Paul Manafort. He got like less than 4 years.
Damn.
That's fucking wild. Paul Manafort got less time than you would get for running wild in the streets with a gun. Your man,
Paul
like,
Manafort got less time than if I didn't pay child support for 2 years.
yeah,
yo, this shit is fucking crazy.
that's the game.
Did he snitch though? He snitched, right? Did
No,
he snitch?
because
He didn't snitch?
he snitched, but they said in court there was like everything he said we already knew, so he didn't really snitch.
Wow.
It's like if you bring me in, I'll be like, yeah, I'll tell you everything. Yo, Mero got 4 kids.
Yo, you know what I'm
He
saying?
live in a cul-de-sac.
Yo, the nigga's
Victor got
Dominican.
curly hair.
You know what I'm saying? Yo,
He be drinking fiber.
Word, yo, Diana's from Venezuela, yo. You know
yeah.
what I'm saying? She got papers though.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? She's legit.
Hassan be spinning at Locksmith. He be killing that shit.
You know what I mean?
Justin got a great coat.
You know what I mean? Shit's lit.
You know what I'm saying?
Wild reptilian.
Snakeskin,
you know what I'm
that's a
saying?
flex.
You know what I'm saying? He's wild humble.
That's-
So he
he-
won't,
if
he
Paul
won't turn the
Manafort-
camera around himself. You know what I'm
Paul
saying? 'Cause he's humble dude.
Manafort got the ostrich coat. And it wasn't, that shit was
on.
not jiggy. That
It
shit was
wasn't
not
jiggy at all.
That shit was,
I'm like, fam,
it
you
was
took
nothing
it-
that, yeah, you don't see that on the street like, oh, wow.
Wow.
That shit right there, though.
That shit is fire.
My nigga.
So
Killing
you
that shit.
doing it.
And they got the matching Jordan 4s for that. So
Oh.
that might be too much, though. That might be too much drip.
Too much.
Okay.
Fuck around,
That's the number one killer of, it's no longer opioids. People are dying from too much drip.
Drip? It's like OGing back
We
in
need
the day.
yeah. we gotta make Narcan for drip. Like if you come in the room and your homie just got like too much Supreme on and shit.
Oh no! This nigga got 2 Versace belts. Oh no! Yo,
break the capsule
Get
in
him!
their
Get him! Get him!
You put a Sketcher under their nose. I'm like, yo.
He's like, okay. Oh, my swag levels are down. All right,
Yeah.
go. Thank you. They put a blood pressure monitor cup on you. Like, yo, your swag is 190 over 80.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Too much drip. He's dripping out.
Dripping out.
Shout out to Skechers. They took the wild shot at Nike, for Zion blowing out his sneaker.
But what Skechers doesn't realize is that the only people that wear Skechers are farmhands.
Mormons, Jehovah's Witnesses on dates, and divorced fathers getting back into the dating pool.
Yes,
that's it. That's the only people
it.
that wear Skechers.
That's it.
Okay?
They're like, I might have to dance. I'm gonna go with the relaxed fit shoe.
If you're going on a date with a woman to TGI Fridays, you have absolutely no intent of sleeping with her. You wear Skechers.
You wear Skechers
Okay?
all
If
day.
you're ending your date with a firm handshake,
Yeah. Great. Had a great time.
All right.
Thanks for the electric lemonade.
I'll see you at Temple.
Appreciate it.
We talking spicy, but have you checked the retail prices on Skechers?
Fuck that.
Yo, they're charging like $90.
Nah, they wildin'. Nah, they
Skechers? Go on the
wildin'. They
website right
They
now.
wildin'.
Oh, wow.
Well, I know this because
Are we
I'm
talking
from
Skechers
Queens,
Premium?
and we don't
Nah.
get the premium stores. We just get the big ass Skechers store.
Nah.
First of all,
Right next to
wow,
the
there's no
Macy's
tea in
furniture
Skechers. Oh,
gallery.
wow, they are not $90.
Yo,
I told you.
Yo,
That's
wow. I got one message for the CEO.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Chill, you wildin'. You doing way
You know
too
what
much.
people forget? Remember Skechers had the wild class action lawsuit because of Kim Kardashian? Remember when she came out with the shoes for the lazy chicks? Shout out to International Women's Day. And it was like the sneakers that supposedly worked you
Make
out
you-
as you was
yeah.
like, how? Come on, man. You got to do a push-up, huh? Like,
do something.
the sneakers
man.
can't do all the work.
Like, yo, motherfuckers be like, yo, let me just take this shit and like, no, the only thing that does that is a trip to the Dominican Republic
Woo!
or Colombia. Shout out
That's
to
right.
Talk
You
to my
know we
partners
be
over
having the
there.
surgeries.
All right. Shout out my chicks going to DR, and when that doctor puts your belly button where New Yorkers think Minnesota is, he's just like, what?
Belly button be like fucking horizontal and shit. You're like, yo, I don't give a fuck. I'm hitting that shit.
Don't give a fuck. Should be off center as fuck. Just making the graphic designer you go crazy, like, oh.
Hey, you know they fucked up because they get the stomach tat that goes across like a fucking wrestling belt. Like,
Oh my god, yeah. When you see those tattoos, you know what it is.
You know what it is.
You know what time it is today. You know what it is.
To this day, that tummy tuck working.
Ooh. I just got it because I had a cesarean. No. Okay.
I know what that looked like.
Why is your belly button under your left nipple?
Huh?
What's up?
What's up?
What's going on there?
Yeah.
This shit is like
What is
a
that?
80-degree
Is that
triangle.
fake colostomy bag? What is that? What is that?
Who's that guy that does the movies and like they're always like
Dr. Miami?
symmetrical? There was like always balanced and white people love them. He made the movie
Wes Anderson?
Wes Anderson.
Wes
yeah.
Anderson. Wow.
Imagine Wes Anderson looking at like the stomach.
Just sweating
Just
like
go crazy.
I can't, man. I can't. Somebody bring me a Klonopin, man. I can't do it. I can't look
belly
at
button's
this.
on the left side. It's not in the middle. It's not in the middle.
It's not. Somebody get Owen Wilson, please. He's the
Am
only
I
one that
missing
can calm
out?
me down.
I'm not into Wes Anderson. Should I? Is he a good filmmaker? Should I get into
He's great.
I heard Isle of Dogs was like wild, racist, and problematic, so I might check that out.
If check out Wes Anderson movies if you want to have sex with art school women who
That time has
Enjoy
passed.
pastel colors.
yeah
Oh, you said pastel colors. I thought you said
Yeah.
enjoy pastel colors. I
yeah
was like,
and like
whoa.
wearing like carpenter jeans, like cut off carpenter jeans.
Oh,
and,
so
like, Doc
basically people in
Martens.
Williamsburg.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Like place.
yeah, basically.
Okay,
pretty much.
All right, I'll pass on that.
Yeah,
Pass
you
on that.
don't need that in your life.
I don't need it. Are you excited? The
You
trailer for
surpass it.
Game of Thrones came out.
Yeah.
Shout out to all my people out there fucking their siblings and
You know
riding
what I'm saying?
dragons. Yeah,
You see
your
what
little
I'm saying?
nasty ass
You know
show
what I'm
came back,
saying?
and guess what? Big announcement. I will be watching the season.
That's right.
I am not going back.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not getting no backstory. I'm
No.
going to be live tweeting. Who is this bitch? What is that dragon? Why is the dragon attacking these people?
Yo, why is the little nigga so thugged out?
What's going on? What's going on? Why y'all crying? Was that a main character? Who's the Ice King? Wait, there's an Ice King. If there's an Ice King, is there a Fire King? What's it mean when the dragon breathes out blue? Why y'all go crazy for that?
Nigga start fucking.
So we're gonna have Bodega Boys screenings. We're all gonna watch Game of Thrones as a
Yes.
family,
You know
and
what
I'm
I'm saying?
mic'd up and I'm gonna ask questions.
That's right. You know what I'm saying?
I did that with Breaking Bad. I was like, if you don't get the fuck out of here,
Stop that shit.
I was like, why they? Oh, they got a big magnet by the precinct. What they trying to?
What are you trying to do?
Oh, what's in the evidence? Like, oh, okay.
Why the bathtub fell through the floor?
Wait, the little guy's not. Wait, which one is Breaking Bad? Oh, none of the. Oh,
what does Breaking Bad mean?
that's? Wait, they got a car wash?
Oh shit.
Who's the fat guy with all the money? Where'd he get all the
What
money
he
from?
got?
Just talk through the whole shit.
Yo.
That's right. Game of Thrones Jesus is here.
Yo.
I can't wait to explore this. The continent of Westeros.
Yo,
is that
yeah,
what it is?
Yeah, it's a whole,
That's it. Let's go, baby.
The whole world.
Let's go, baby. I'm going to unexplored territory, like finding the clit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where that though?
Where that though? How CB hit me yesterday? She was like, "You were fucking up on the app because the whole thing was the clip."
Yeah, we didn't realize that until later on. If y'all don't know what we're referencing, we're just referencing the number one show in late nights.
These
You know what it
You know what I'm
is.
saying? 11 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Showtime.
On Thursday,
stupid.
Showtime.
You know
Shout
what
out
I'm
a million
saying?
Be sure to watch it. You know what it is. Every episode is stronger than ever. Shout out to
You know
John
what I'm
Legend
saying?
for singing about eating ass
know
with
what I
us.
mean? Shout out
I know
to Vince
Chrissy T.
Staples.
I know Chrissy T. can smack the shit out of him when she saw that.
You know what I'm saying?
John, what are you doing?
You know what I'm saying?
Yo,
John, you have 2 kids. You can't be doing shit like this.
He was like,
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
yo, but back.
John Legend with a do-rag on, rolling a wild backwards before the show start. Like, yo,
she's like, what did they do to you?
yo, shut,
Yo,
Chrissy.
yo, come on, man.
This nigga threatened her while playing the piano and shit.
He's like, yo, if you don't
Get the
write
fuck out the
some funny
room.
tweets. He's like,
There's a pizza in the other room. Go eat it.
write some tweets, mom,
Get out of here.
before I make my gun buzz in this bitch.
Oh man.
Thank you. Nah, please.
Nigga just fucking got the wild wave brush. These niggas is funny. These
Nigga play piano with one hand, brush with the other. Like yo, just killing it.
Oh shit.
Niggas play Chopin with one hand, like yo.
Nigga like, okay.
Okay.
Watching my niggas on Showtime. We singing about eating ass. Mero's Dominican, Desus Jamaican. Girl, you taking all this dick tonight. I'm John Legend. I'm raunchy. Got a big foreskin and I'm haunchy. Put it on your face. Put it on your case. Yeah. Could you take my wife? Ooh, she's in my life.
Yeah.
Spread the bud apart. Put my tongue in there. Like the art. It's showtime.
Motherfucker.
Listen, we getting that EGOT.
You know what I'm saying?
We getting that EGOT. We getting the Bronx EGOT. Actually, a EGOT would not matter to us. What matters more, we need to have a street named after us in the Bronx.
That's right.
And it can't be one of them little ass streets that no one cares about. I don't rename 136th Street after me.
No. Rename East Tremont after me, motherfucker.
Nah, we gotta get them to rename up. We need a project named after us.
Yes.
We gonna rename it like what project you want?
River Park Towers.
You want River Park? I'm taking either one. No, Baychester. Listen, Baychester. Ain't no Bay. I'm gonna be honest with you. Shit ain't popping. So
There's no Bay. There's
matter
only
of fact,
one nigga named Chester.
we renaming Baychester to BAE Chester. Baychester, yeah. Baychester, and now we got a whole new advertising campaign. Baychester's for lovers.
Yeah.
We're gonna get people to move in there. And shit.
Yeah.
Go to Bay Plaza.
Oh, take your Bay to Bay Plaza.
Bring your gun,
Yeah.
please.
Do you like pretzels and also violence?
Hi, I have a reservation for 2. Let's go.
Oh, okay. Let's get it.
They're like, oh, you can't sit down until I see your gun. That was like people like Bay Plaza not that bad. I was like,
Shut up, my nigga.
yeah.
Shut up.
Because you know what, you can be oblivious to danger when you go out.
Yeah.
But I keep my head on a swivel when I be seeing shit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I see niggas grab at their waist a little too much.
Yeah.
Like teenagers. If you see a teenager smiling up to no good, that's how I know I'm becoming an older West Indian man.
Yeah, if they're in a group and it's just like they all looking at each other smiling.
What you do?
Huh?
Also, for no reason, I know when the local school lets out. So if I see kids, I'll be like, yo, why you not in school?
Why you not in school, B? Huh?
And they're like, I go to hostel, so I'm a grown ass adult. I have a child.
Excuse
Please
me.
don't talk to me like that. I'm
Like,
oh.
hello, I'm 19.
I mean,
That's trying to kill me, man.
oh, R. Kelly. Everybody hates Kellz.
Yo, yeah, no, he's out here.
He's out of here,
He's
man.
out here.
He's
He's
having.
out here.
I was gonna say he's having a bad week, but not really.
Not really. This nigga's been having a bad couple months. Yo.
And we only saw like 7 minutes of it. They got 80 minutes. 80
I
minutes.
can't wait to see that shit, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch that shit with popcorn.
Oh my god. I'm buying all the movie snacks. I'm smoking 2 blunts to the grill. Like I'm gonna just put 1 blunt in each nostril.
Listen,
Like-
I'm gonna be like John Legend. I'm gonna be so niggerish.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh man, bro. Yo, that was. Oh god, come on, dog.
Killing me with this.
Come on, dog.
Y'all trying to kill me.
Nah.
That's me when I have to change my kitty litter.
That's me when I'm like, my shorty's like, yo, you gotta shovel that snow. That shit is wet. I'm like, yo, stop. I gave you 10 years.
Life. Y'all killing me with this.
Come on, man. And I gotta
Trying to
solve,
kill me.
man.
Nothing's worse than listen. I feel your pain with shoveling as a former homeowner.
Yo.
Nothing's worse than shoveling, and you look back and the shit you shovel is now covered in snow again.
Yeah.
You're like, this is some bullshit.
Yeah, that shit
never
is
end
the
the
worst,
process.
bro. And then the worst shit is when you got a neighbor that shovel like either a little bit before your shit or like right up to the line. They don't even give you that little courtesy
that's
shovel.
that petty shit.
That wild petty shit.
Like, come over a little.
Yeah.
At least make the attempt.
Yeah.
Like, yo, nigga, I'm not violating, and I'm not saying you should be out here shoveling.
Yeah.
But you know what? I'm gonna do this little square of the sidewalk just as a neighborly thing.
Exactly.
Because I was not raised by fucking
Exactly.
wolves. But
Thank you.
But no, then you come out and that shit is fucking perfect.
Like a
Perfect.
yo,
Like
fam,
nigga took out like a nigga
level.
like a nigga's a barber.
Like yo, right there. Okay, boom.
Right there.
That's it. That's what
Not
my
an
papa-
inch more, not a
That's
millimeter
it.
more.
Fucker.
Yo, my neighbor did that while I was outside. That nigga looked me straight in the face and the shovel, he like right at the edge and was like, knocked the snow off the shit and went back inside. I was like, woo.
Motherfucker.
And then one snowstorm, he was at home. Let me tell you something. You know what Petty Desus did?
Shovel all your shit onto his shit.
I shoveled all his shit. Shoveled all his shit. Shoveled his steps.
Wow.
Put salt down.
Wow.
Made sure his daughter saw.
Yeah.
He knows.
Yeah, his daughter's like, yeah.
That Jamaican guilt eat you. He
Daddy
looks like
trash.
he looks like Barack Obama. He used to always like tell my father in Florida. He was like, "All your son does is smoke weed in the backyard with girls." And I was like, "My nigga, I am a grown man.
I'm an
I
adult.
pay the bills of this
Like,
shit. Why are you
hello?
snitching on
Why
me?"
you snitching, fam? Mind your fucking business, B.
He also got very upset when I
You're too bad-minded.
when I bought a drone because I was like trying to figure it out. It was coming too close to his house, and he was just sitting there with his hands on his hips, like wasting money on drones.
Stop banging on the damn bushes. The fucking drone.
Shout out to him.
Yo, motherfucker.
Him and my father, they would talk about me, and my father was like, "Look at all this. There's like farmland. He could grow vegetables back here. If I was him, I'd just be like growing my own vegetables and eating them." You thought?
You fam.
Nigga, this Whole Foods. How I look?
First of all, like I'm not eating nothing that is nutrified by Bronx rain.
Okay.
My nigga. Like that shit is straight like
just the water from Orchard Beach on this shit.
Valvoline. Like yo, come on, my nigga.
Shit is just fucking Michael Anthony, Mark Anthony Sweat and J Lo's.
Yo, nah, man. Nah, bro.
I do be trying to eat healthy now. You know what I'm saying? I know you getting your fiber on.
I'm saying get my fiber on, get my water on. And
Are
shit,
you
so
putting
like,
wheat germ on your ice cream? Like a good West Indian father?
I am about to,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm wild lactose intolerant. And the lactate ice cream, have you fucked with the lactate ice cream?
It ain't it, dog. It ain't it. You know what? I guess it's like how non-alcoholic beer tastes.
Yeah.
It's like the essence of shit.
I'm just like, Then I seen the homie that we had the dinner with, Trayvon. He was just like posted up some shit about Talenti, the gelato shit.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, that should be hitting, but that should be making my guts bubble.
I just, it's a hot take, but I feel like God punishes the best people with lactose intolerance.
That's right.
That's
True.
it.
That's it.
If you're a good, you're a good person, you have a good heart. Like they give you lactose intolerance to make you humble.
Yeah.
Rosa Parks had lactose intolerant.
true.
Mother Teresa.
Speak on it. You know what I'm saying? Obama.
Gorbachev.
That's right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All the good people.
All the good people,
All the good
B.
people. You never in the Jesus.
Black Jesus.
Jesus.
You know what I'm saying?
Jesus. You never hear in the Bible there was like, and the Lord sat down and ate a bowl of mac and cheese.
Never.
Also, happy Lent to all my Catholic people.
Yo, what y'all give up?
Remember, Jesus died this month, so you could come back. Because he knew filet of fish was 2 for $5, my nigga. We back out here, yeah. Filet of fish gang. Shout out to all my people in Alaska getting that haddock. I respect you and I salute you. Get your fucking cancer squares, as Mero calls it. Enjoy them. All my Muslims, all my Catholics. You enjoy a break today.
You know what I'm saying? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm getting colon cancer.
Listen, no hatery here.
Give me back that filet of fish. Give me that fish.
Hey.
Give me back that filet of fish.
Hey.
Give me that fish. What if it were you hanging up on this wall?
This is like babies,
if
like-
it were you in that sandwich, you wouldn't be laughing
At all. That's not an ad. McDonald's did not pay us for that. You know, I just love a good filet of fish.
He
though.
does,
2
he
for
does,
$5.
he does, he does.
You see me eat one in the airport.
He does. I'm not even going to
You
hold
were so disgusted.
It was too early. And I'm not a breakfast dude either.
What's the right time for eating a filet of fish? Is it at 12 o'clock when you realize your kids aren't going to call you no more? You're at the McDonald's alone drinking black coffee?
Reading your AARP magazine.
Not even your magazine, the magazine someone else left there. Just sitting there every now and then you...
Adjust the Velcro on your sneakers.
You got to ask them for a cup of water for your heart medicine.
Excuse me, can you crush this and put it in some applesauce for me?
Stop with the filet of fish slander, my nigga. Right?
That was a wild sub at Judy, nigga. Yo, how you wild? You can't take pills, my nigga. Talk about crush my pills up with some applesauce. Nigga.
It's Mero and Judy. He's Rudy Tooty. She asked you to crush her pills?
She be crushing her own pills. Like, yo, I can't take a pill. Like, I gotta crush them up and eat them with applesauce.
You gotta be like, grow up, my nigga.
Grow up.
Shut up, my nigga.
Grow up, my nigga. Grow up. So I roasted her like, boy.
Boy.
Wait, she has like a wild gag reflex? What's
I
wrong?
don't know, man. Like, yo.
Man, with Judy, listen to all these podcasts back to back to back. She gonna come in here one day and just suplex you through the table.
Man, I'm just waiting for the day for her to come and be like, because she's always doing something. I'm waiting for the day to be like, I'm going to go on a road trip to Arizona. I want to go to see the Acadians and everything like that. So along the way, I figured, hey, why not listen to all the episode of your podcast?
That's how it happens.
Really funny, and then I'll
That's
be like,
what happens.
Oh shit!
Every now and then, people are like, "So I listen to your podcast."
I'm on episode 147.
I was like, they're like, remember when you said this? I was like, no, I don't. I don't remember everything. I don't remember anything I said.
No.
That's why I had to watch the show yesterday. I was like, what the fuck did we say?
What do we say?
And apparently, it's been brought to my attention. We be saying some wild shit. We be saying some problematic shit. But everyone lets us cook because, you know what I'm saying? Like, all our white fans are basically doing the blind side.
Exactly.
Yeah, they're like, I want to see these POCs prosper. And all the black people are like, you know what? Fuck it. They're diverse. Fuck it. So that's what we do. Also, people are rooting for us because we're from the Bronx. Because what really good come from the
Come
Bronx?
on, B.
Like,
come on.
Like, we are the creme de la creme of the
You know what I'm
Bronx.
saying?
I mean, there's good people in the Bronx. They're just not like good enough to rise to the top.
Rise to the top.
Unlike us.
Or they don't have the motherfucking the resources
to
necessary.
Speak
you know
on
what I'm
it.
saying? Because we are the overlooked borough.
Speak
you know
on
what I'm
it.
saying? You know what I mean? Every other borough got a motherfucking kids club and shit and rec centers and all that type of shit. Why we don't got that?
Speak on it, brother.
You know what I'm saying?
Speak on it. Huh?
Why don't we have more shit for the little thuns?
Speak on it.
You know what I'm saying? Shorty caught up in the system. You feel me? Skits.
What's today's mathematics, brother Mero?
Yo, I'm hip to the game. Feel me? Yo, check it. Yo, check it. Yo, 90 shit. Yo, 90 slow. Yo.
You gotta have the wild montage of the kid looking out the window in black and white.
M-E to the R-O, you can make it. Fast and slow, you can take it. So follow your dreams. What? Yo, follow your motherfucking dreams. Follow your dreams. Achieve. We can believe.
Kid Mero from the Bronx Barrow.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, the trains run below. On the kilo. Speak that righteous God. Speak that righteous God.
I speak my ism into her triangular prism. You know what I'm saying?
Lyrics, nigga. Lyrics.
You know what I mean? Egotism. Y'all need to drop the egotism.
It's like 15-year-old me is up at 4 a.m.
Like,
listening to Stretch and Bob, like,
record
with the pause tape, like,
this shit is
the
fire.
tape runs out. I'm like, oh shit, give me a new tape. Put tape on the edges.
Yo, take your sister's Bengals CD.
Oh shit.
Take your sister's Bengals tape.
And then you get tired because like now when he comes back on, it's like the song's already playing. And you're like, fuck, I didn't get all of it. Oh man, fuck.
Just get Lord Sear talking mad shit.
Yeah.
For like 10 minutes.
Shout out to Stretch and Bob, man. I always think about that. Like Stretch and Bob was this show.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
they didn't give a fuck.
They didn't give a fuck. That shit was so good.
And they just had mad cool people just running up there like, yo, we want to be up there. Like, yo, let's kick it.
That shit was
Fam,
man.
I listened to they had Mobb Deep up there freestyling, and I was just like, this is not a freestyle, this is a song, but this just I'm like, yo.
Yeah, because you were like, yo, these freestyles are a little too good. I remember they had Keith Murray on, and he was just fucking flowing. Yeah. And they used to have like Human Wreck and all these.
Yes.
Oh man,
yes.
Well, that's real hip hop.
Hip hop.
Where do people go to freestyle now? Should we start having rappers come here and freestyle?
Yo,
freestyle the jam room.
Freestyle Fridays.
We're bringing it back. We are bringing back Freestyle Fridays.
Yeah, you got bars come through.
Hasan, you got instrumentals on deck? No, we doing the old school. The only things you can freestyle over is Shook Ones, the Benjamins beat, and Off the Hook by Who Shot Ya and Off the Hook by the Beatnuts. That's it. That's the only 4 beats you are allowed to. No, we got the Big Pun 100% for my Latinos. Actually, no, you can freestyle to whatever song is from your nationality or ethnicity.
Oh, true.
So, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So, yo, you already know. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
So what's Iggy Azalea gonna do?
Ooh.
Wow.
Shot. Australia. Shot.
Wow.
She's gonna have to rap over a didgeridoo?
No. She got to rap over this.
Oh, shit.
Go, Iggy. Go, Iggy.
Y'all know what I'm doing it. Y'all know what I'm finna do. Yeah. I'm a little shorty from the ATL. I mean,
like, yo, that shit is fucking trash. Turn that shit off, yo.
Get that shit off the airwaves.
How did she just get a whole black set? Like, nobody was, the sound producer wasn't like, yo, something's wrong with the mic. Apparently, you sound African American.
How quickly we forget it was T.I. that was
T.I. that co-signed her.
Up in there with Sway, just amping her up, and then we got John from Tennessee. You're a legend. You're a legend, John.
You're a legend, John.
Oh man.
Yo, Sway didn't say shit because he knew he was right.
The whole world is watching and the paparazzi is flocking and we fly shit when we drop in and we shut down your party, man. His and
John in Tennessee, go ahead. What you want to say?
That shit is fucking trash, dog. Get the fuck off the airwaves.
Oh, come on.
Oh, shit. Dr. John Tennessee.
How did they not think to screen that call or something?
You know what?
Have some tape delay, something.
Niggas thought they, you know what I mean?
Yo, and mad love to Sway. I'm not trying to, but just damn.
Yo, son.
Well, I mean, listen, if you can't freestyle, don't. If it's simple, if they're like, you want to freestyle?
Yes or no?
Because a lot of people, I think they could just do a verse from their album.
Yeah.
But if it don't match the beat, it seems weird.
It seems very weird.
You know when some shit is pre-written. Like I remember, I forgot. Damn. Somebody was sitting, they were like rapping, but their boys knew all the ad libs and the words and shit. I'm like, come on, y'all niggas crowdsource this shit.
Recipes party already. Smack DVD.
From Showbiz and AG. Wow.
Yes. Rest in peace, P80. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Mitchell, you know what I'm saying? Mitchell House is hellbound.
You know
We
what
out
it
here.
is? Mitchell.
HB Gang. Fucking, yo, he battled Murder Mook. And he's you know what I'm saying? They're battling. It's supposed to be a freestyle battle.
Uh-huh.
He was supposed to, ain't going at each other. Yo, all his people, like 20 niggas behind him, every ad lib. Yo, gun! You pussy! You trash! I'm just like, fam, you clearly wrote this before you came here. But, you know what I'm saying? Legendary BX nigga. You know what I'm saying? Never left the bees.
You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying? Shout to the God. Yeah. Oh, shit. What? Oh, so this is the real hip hop episode.
No, this is a real hip hop episode. This is for my niggas that just got out of jail.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay? If you served a cop an 80 pack back in 91, you enjoying the shit out of this episode.
Yeah.
That's Showbiz and AG featuring DJ Premier. It's called Next Level.
Next Level.
Back when you didn't have to clear samples.
Yeah, exactly. Niggas just push shit out like, yo, fuck it, I don't care.
Oh, shit.
Niggas sample Beethoven and be like,
Just
fuck it.
sample it, like, catch me if you can, nigga. And then Steely Dan came through like, you thought?
You thought, motherfucker?
It was like, I'll take all of that. That was a shame. Peter Guns and Lord Tariq.
Yo,
man.
they would have been rich off that. You know how
would-
rich they would have been off of that?
How many times a day do you hear that? Well, not that often, but I mean, but you know what the thing is? Because we go to parties, and like, shout out to every DJ that does this, because we're at the party, they play Lord Tariq and Peter Guns. Like, there's other songs from the Bronx you could play.
Yeah,
that's, I mean, that's our anthem, but that's kind of like playing Suavemente.
Yeah.
Which, you know, I mean, I don't. The thing is, okay, explain this to me. Latin people are like, I hate Suavemente, right?
This shit kind of slaps.
But
It's
when the
just
shit,
like-
when the shit come on, watch. Now look at it. Look at your national. See? Look at y'all reacting.
Okay, you know what? I get it.
No,
I get it.
time out. Wait.
Preach.
Talk about, listen. What?
Why are we at a baby shower at City Island and the baby's drunk?
Baby guys on bottles.
The baby standing on the table like, y'all, thank you for coming out. Thank you for coming out, my nigga. Thank you.
Baby got a Burberry shirt on.
Baby got fucking gun stuck in his diaper and shit. Like, yo, 80 block, you know what I'm saying? Well, shout out to my needle niggas. I was born a little premature, but I shook that shit off.
Shout out to all my niggas holding it down in NICU.
Yo, I'm the only infant with a Marmont. How you feel? Shit.
Yo,
Matter of fact, let me get the Mad Dog to come through with the drink with the fucking Corona in the shit.
Yo, it's one thing to listen to that track, which knocks, but watch the video.
Yeah, the video is a lot.
Yeah,
The video's a lot,
He's wearing
man.
platforms.
Elvis
on a green
Costello.
screen.
Wow.
Crespo, how dare
Crespo?
you?
Oh,
How dare you?
Oh, guy, the G100 guy.
He looks a little bit
You know
like
what's funny?
Justin.
I was watching that. I was watching, funny enough, I was watching our Breakfast Club interview, which the anniversary of is coming up March 15th.
Oh, shit.
Envy Fest. But I was watching it, and you know what? Like, everyone only watches the first part when Envy walked out. The rest of the interview is fantastic.
Yeah.
We fucking bodied that interview.
Yeah, it was a beautiful interview.
And you were talking about Elvis, like Charlamagne was talking about like Elvis Costello watches us and shit. Like, shout out to Breakfast Club.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Charlamagne.
Well, two of them.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Charlamagne and Angela.
Oh my God!
Yeah,
are we the Sriracha boys? Because we're spicy.
Spicy. Ooh.
We're spicy, but we're not too spicy for white people.
Yeah.
I hate when I go to a restaurant. I'll be like, "Is this spicy?" They're like, I was at Mercer Kitchen the other day, and they have like some sort of soup, and I was like, "Is it spicy?" And the guy was like, "I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm Mexican, so no."
Okay.
And I was like, I got you. When I got it, it wasn't spicy. It would be like spicy if like I had no top lip, but it was not that spicy.
If you had a beak instead of lips, you would have been like, oh my God.
If you look like Momo.
Yeah. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna hold you. Like, now that I know she got titties, I'll fuck the shit out of Momo. Her bug eyes like, I'm holding her chicken legs like, yeah, take that. You like killing kids? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'll kill these kids on your face.
You got mad scratches on your chest and shit.
She's like pecking me. I'm like,
oh yeah.
Yeah, you
so
dirty
hot.
bitch.
Yeah. Oh, come on, baby, make it hurt so good.
Then we just get on the computer and hack some kids' YouTube page. I'm like, turn on all the stoves.
Yo, turn all the stoves in your house.
That's
Put your
right.
head in the oven.
Open your door and run into traffic.
Kill yourself.
Yeah. Throw all the knives in the air.
Yo, I can't believe how stupid parents are, B.
Yeah, I mean, you know what it is? As someone who doesn't have kids, I know a lot about parenting. So, you get overprotective about your kids.
Yeah, no,
Because you got 3, and I mean you got 4.
Yeah.
And I mean, truth be told, they're basically replacements for each other, like goldfish, right? If one goes, you got 3 more. Like that's that's why you're not concerned about the moment. But if I don't have like one child, I'm like,
oh my god, oh, it's just the only one. Oh.
All right, and when I bring little Juniper Baker into the world, I'm going to be very protective of them because I'm not gendering them. But I already subscribed to Goop.
Oh, you got the triple word score? Oh,
all right.
man.
As a sovereign citizen, I will not be getting my child vaccinated. Ray and nephew is good enough for anything that's wrong with them. Just rub a little on their head.
Yeah,
bro.
Yeah.
All right, ladies. If you trying to be the mother of Juniper, let me know.
Holla.
The name has to be Juniper. I just want to. They'll be like,
is that a tree?
Juniper. It's Juniper, stupid.
Yo,
that homeroom and shit.
Yo, why you spell Jennifer like that?
It's Juniper. I'm named after a tree.
Nah, that says Jennifer.
It's Juniper. You got mad fights and shit. You fighting again? Because I got a stupid ass name.
Jennifer, come here, Johnny.
It's Juniper.
Johnny.
Come here, Juju.
Come here,
Juju.
Jennifer. Ignore him. He's crazy. He be drinking.
It could be like Juju or Junie.
Stop.
Junie's a nice West Indian nickname. Everyone got an auntie named Junie. Her real name is Shirley.
Yeah, Shirley Ann.
Shirley Ann Prescott Frazier. Are you a dentist? Why do you have so many fucking last names? And that's not even from being married. That's just like a 14-year-old.
That's a fact, bro. The biggest be the same shit. I'm like, yo, how many EZs can you fit in a name, my nigga?
Let's find out. Dominicans be putting E's and X's in names like they go like packing up to go to the beach, Orchard Beach and shit.
Woo! Yo, Dominicans be getting hyped when they get an X on the Scrabble board. Like,
ooh.
Nigga about to, can we use names?
I'm gonna name my mama. I'm gonna name my sister.
Woo, let's go. Pow, pow, pow. X's and Z's, nigga be rocking.
Like, how you got a Y, an X, and a J in Michelle? What is this shit?
We make it happen. You know what I'm saying?
Yo.
She's Michelle like
Yo.
Hey, Michelle.
The mother's name is Juanita. The father's name was Michael. This is my daughter, Michael Niaita.
What? This is my daughter, Juan Michael.
Like, no. It's not a word. They need to start dubbing names at the hospital. Be like, no. Sorry.
No, too many X's.
You know how like when you can't get a password because they don't have numbers and shit? They're like, no, nope. Not accepting this. Come on with another one.
Yeah. Did you see this is like an old meme, but the meme of the Dominican licenses with the shorty's name is Mary Christmas, like Mary, like her first name is Mary M-E-R-I.
I did not see that.
And the last one is like Crima, C-R-I-M-A, like Merry Christmas.
Yikes.
Her parents named her Merry Christmas Rodriguez.
Wow.
Yes, and there's a dude named James Bond 007.
I mean, you gotta do. I'm just surprised none of your kids is anal lingus. Anal lingus Martinez. Come here, little anal.
Well, now that you mention
it. I mean, listen, have that last kid, and we had that last kid, and let Victor let a brand buy the rights to the kid's name. Come here, little Airbnb,
like a stadium and shit. Like,
yeah, I could finesse that license deal.
Listen,
yo, it's Airbnb Martinez.
Skill set.
Here's my son. Here's my son Tesla Martinez.
Yo, here's my son Anheuser-Busch Martinez.
Don't play. I'd love to do a deal with InBev. You heard me, InBev? Don't play.
Oh,
yo,
shit.
This is my little boy InBev.
Yo, shit. Oh, look at my little nigga Modelo. Oh, wow. He's so good.
Saying? They twins. One is more light skinned than the other one. Modelo Negro. You know what I'm saying? We out here.
They playing with hops.
That's going to be difficult when I'm just like,
shit.
charging more for one than the other. We're still getting
got caught shorty like, yo, we got to go to the hospital. Like, Heather had the baby. Let's go see little mesothelioma.
Let's go see little Celino and Barnes. The twins.
Oh, wow. Mero had a new baby. It's a structured settlement. JG Wentworth is next to me like, yo. He's like, I mean, I don't want to interrupt, but do you need a structured settlement? Do you need cash right now?
You need cash right now? You know what I'm saying? I'll give you cash right now if you need a little nigga JG Wentworth.
I'm like, how much? Baby trying to sleep and shit. I'm like,
I do that shit. What should I do that for?
What?
What should I charge for something like that?
For what?
Exactly. For life rights?
We're discussing right now.
I feel like they should roll over yearly. Mm-hmm. But what is the price for a year of having me outsource my child's name to your brand?
Here's the thing. Okay, what's his name? Who's the guy that says motherfucker all the time? Black guy?
Samuel
Jackson.
Yeah.
For Capital One, what's he get? Like 10 mil?
10 mil a commercial, right?
10 mil a year.
A year?
So we should probably cut this just because I know that we know that number because we have the same agency.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll definitely know that. All right, we'll definitely cut that.
So we're not supposed to not. But yo, goals, Samuel. We covered for that money.
You know what I'm saying?
And I respect it.
You know what I'm saying?
We'll cut that.
Yeah.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
I feel you should do
Start
10
from the
mil.
top.
I feel for the naming rights for you, 10 million.
10 million.
At the minimum.
Brand is strong as astronomical.
Brand is strong.
You know what it is. We made John Legend sing about eating ass. The brand is astronomical. 10 million, I feel like, is a good starting point.
Okay.
Yo,
Yeah,
but here,
absolutely.
But this is the tragedy of it all. All right, you literally birthed that brand. Oh. So, well, Azalea might be getting a $10 million check, but how much Daddy and Bodega Boys get? And this is where it gets ugly. Then she's got a lawyer up.
shit.
Heather's got to switch sides.
Oh,
That's right.
shit.
All
We
the
gonna be in
boys like,
court.
who we banging
We
with?
gonna be in court like, Your Honor.
And then I'm gonna be in
I
the
have-
background like I get my commission regardless. So
I'll
y'all
be
figure this out.
technically, I am half her father, so I'm gonna need half that money right there.
He's like, I gave you 10 years of my life.
What was that movie about the?
I bought them the Arbor Mist the night they made you. Okay.
He's like, who was the one that bought
wait,
him that shot of Patron when the Zilly was made? Huh? It was me, nigga.
What was the movie? And it was about it was white people and they were getting a divorce, and it was like wild dramatic. In
And
the 80s.
War of the Roses?
Was it War of the Roses?
I think it was, yeah.
War of the Roses. Yeah.
And it's like
That's
none of
gonna
them
be
wanted
me
to
and you.
move out of the crib and shit.
Yeah. They were
Yeah.
fighting for the kids and shit.
Yeah.
Wow, War of the Roses. That's a watch reference.
War of the niggas.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
That's the version that the Blaze makes down in Dallas.
Wow. War of the niggas. War of the niggas.
Nah, Pusha T. It's not a watch reference. Pusha T references it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I mean, well, he's 48.
Oh, wow.
I'm not saying nothing because I feel like we're gonna see him soon. So
No,
I'll be like, yo, that was
Shout
Mero.
out to GMC.
All right.
Shout out
I'm
to
watching the
Pusha
Game of Thrones trailer right now. You gonna help me, Mero?
Yes.
All right.
All right. All right.
Who's that? Actually,
Little-
camera should probably get
Yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah.
All right.
Let's see.
Our enemy doesn't tire.
All right. All right, run it back.
All right, who's that?
I'll tell you everything.
Okay, here we go.
Doesn't feel.
That's Arya Stark, right?
Who, is she important?
She's very important. She's wild ruthless. She stabbed the nigga in the eye like 1,000 times because he
Who's
killed her
that?
pops. That is
Who's that? That's Arya Stark's running.
Yep,
Who are those people?
They're just randoms. Oh, that's Vesuvius, whatever the fuck his name.
Who's he running from?
He's like a little
Okay,
snitch.
who's that?
That's Arya again.
Okay. Well, oh, she washed her face. All right, April 14th.
Yeah.
That's our time, right? Okay, who's the
Yeah.
boats? Where are they going? Is that the Nina the Pinta and Santa Arena?
Yeah, they're crossing like across the different like
Okay,
kingdoms and
why is
shit.
his sword on fire?
Who's
'cause
that? He's trying to be scary.
Okay, what's
That's-
that?
That's
Is
the
that an
one-
important castle?
Yeah.
Who's that?
That's Cersei.
Okay,
That was
I've
the
heard of her.
Shame.
Okay,
Shame. That's
is,
her.
is she in charge of these people?
Yeah.
Who's the white girl?
She's the kid. She's the dragon bitch. She
Okay,
got all
she's
the
dragon.
dragons. Yeah, she's the
So
dragon.
those dragons are her dragons.
Yep.
But that's a different.
Yep.
Are these good dragons?
They're good dragons. Yeah. they're good
Okay,
dragons.
who's this?
She's the mother
That's
of
that
them.
white lady again. Who's that? That's
That's Jon Snow.
Jon Snow. Okay,
Yeah.
he's making the sword.
He's making
Who's
sword,
these people?
A Valerian steel sword.
Okay, who's these?
That's Jay-Z, I think.
Are they black?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, who's this? Okay.
That was the dude that he got his
She
head
fucked
chopped
somebody
off.
that's related,
Yeah,
right?
the dude that you just asked me who he was, he fucked her.
Okay, is that a
brother,
good
sister.
dragon? Are these dragons? Okay.
That's a good dragon.
Are they in Montana? That's Ariana Stark?
Yep.
Okay. Who's this black guy?
He's a dude. That
Who's
guy
this?
Dick chopped
Who's
off.
this guy right here?
That's the dude that fucked his sister.
Okay, that's Jon Snow. Mm-hmm. Are they fucking these two?
No.
Okay, but everyone wants them to.
Yes.
Okay, who's the? Okay,
That's the little nigga.
Okay, John Dinkage. That's some shit.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep.
These are like the stormtroopers, I guess.
Yeah. Nah,
Who's the White Walker? Who's that?
That's I think that's the pops that got killed. Apparently he's.
Was this
back
a dragon?
alive.
What was that?
A horse?
The fuck was that?
Yeah.
Okay, I know everything now.
It's
All
very-
right, we
very
ready to go.
cryptic.
We ready to go.
Let's go.
Ready to go.
Let's get it.
Woo! Bodega Boys
get it.
on 3. The Game of Thrones boys.
GOT.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't remember.
Thrones, y'all.
Thrones, y'all. I have no idea what's going on in that show. But listen, we're gonna figure it out, right?
I'm not reading that trailer. Neither do I.
They're getting ready to ride a dragon.
I'm also suspect they said I read the trailer.
Is Game of Thrones just How to Train Your Dragon for adults?
Yeah, exactly. Yes, it is.
that's
And
what it
it's like mad more titties.
I mean, I'm
And
not mad.
swords.
You know what? I'm gonna tell you I'm a nasty nigga. You see the shirt. But
You know what I'm
also,
saying?
I watched all the sex scenes of Game of Thrones and a compilation on Pornhub. So,
I respect it. You know what I'm saying?
I was like, cut to the chase.
Note to self.
Yeah. Oh, listen. You really think I'm sitting there watching all those seasons of Orange is the New Black? Nah. I just want to see that tribune right now.
I'll never get over it. Everybody's like, oh yeah, he's fucking his sister. He's fucking his sister. there's fucking your sister, and then there's like pulverizing the cheeks, and that's what he did. That shit was, I think he knocked that kid off the window just out of shame. If he was just like lazily hitting it from the side, he's like, all right, you got me. But he was going in. I was like,
That's why they call it incest.
You know what I'm saying? He was going in.
Remember Shorty yesterday on the show that was like fucking his cousin? You gotta throw that up. Like if you fucking your cousin and y'all like in a relationship, you gotta throw that in there in the argument every now and then. Like, yo, the best you could get was your first cousin, nigga. Like, yo,
fuck out of here, stupid.
How about you expand your search parameters? You know what I'm saying? Damn, niggas fucking their cousin and shit. Niggas, y'all was running around dirty with no deodorant on, and now y'all fucking eating each other out.
Yo,
gross.
Fam, you eating Nancy's pussy?
Why is that so funny? Why is that so funny specific?
You eating Nancy's pussy now, nigga?
Yo, if this photos of y'all together when y'all like in third grade and shit, like nah, man,
bro.
How y'all out here fucking your cousin? There's other people out there. But to be fair, you gotta hear both sides. They know they're into the same shit as you. Don't gotta meet new family members.
That's true.
They know where you live. They know your favorite recipes.
Meeting your parents is less awkward.
Exactly.
Or more awkward, depending on how they feel about it.
Listen, your family gonna judge you anyway.
What side of the Mason-Dixon
Your
line
family gonna judge you regardless. Like, yo. If you got a successful cousin, it's different. If you can't be fucking like a deadbeat cousin.
Didn't Giuliani marry his cousin?
Yes, he did. That fucking nasty motherfucker. Rudy Giuliani. He hold on, wait, right here. Personal life, yeah. On October 26, 1968, Giuliani married his second cousin, Regina Peruggi, who he had known since childhood. By the mid-1970s, the marriage was in trouble and they agreed to a trial separation in 1975. Peruggi did not accompany him to Washington, where he accepted the job of the Attorney General's office. Then he met Donna Hanover and cheated on her. And he ended up with his new woman, Nathan, who he's divorcing now because he's probably going to court. But he's dating Republican fundraiser Jennifer Lebeck. Let's see if she's a dub or not.
Oh, shit.
We really shouldn't do that on International Women's Day. But with the Bodega Boys.
Yeah, we do what we want.
You get what you get if you date Rudy Giuliani.
Yeah, come on.
You know, I'm not mad at her.
Okay, she's Rudy's level.
Yeah.
I feel like, yeah.
She's like, I guess if I was like an older white man, she'd be like a 7.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like if I couldn't get my dick hard anymore.
Yeah. That's true.
Okay.
She looks like she helps Heather try on dresses at Neiman's.
Yeah, but then talk shit about her when she leaves.
Yeah. Like, it's a little bitch, size 2.
You know what? It is International Women's Day, and we are being nasty and misogynist. However, I see it like this. Why is it better to not be misogynistic on International Women's Day and then be misogynistic the rest of the year?
Yes.
Because then you're just making like a false. You're just like, you know,
you're front for the cameras.
Yo, you know what you're doing?
Talk to him.
What you're doing is called.
Oh shit! What?
We faking Jacks.
What?
I and not featuring Pete Rock.
Bravo, Rap Lover, Rock, Marco Polo.
Yo.
PR.
Shout out to Pete Rock for putting his non-rapping ass cousins on.
Shout out to everyone listening to this podcast. Cause at the end of it, you're gonna wake up. You have on like fucking construction. You have construction boots and a Helly Hansen snowsuit on.
Yeah.
With one leg up.
You already know them fucking.
We're so old.
We're old as shit. We are old as shit. This girl liked one of my photos on Instagram, and I looked and I was like, yo, and I looked at her bio and she was like 18, and I was like,
oh, okay.
Cause I did the math and I was like, that could be my daughter.
Relax.
Nah, I'm not. Listen, fam. Listen, I'm not like, is she legal?
I don't look at age. I look at legal.
Boy.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
Yo, stop.
I'm looking forward to a Law and Order episode about R. Kelly, but it turns out like it's gonna be like they're gonna find a dead girl in R. Kelly's house.
Yeah.
But then like halfway through, it turns out like she had like stolen Bitcoin or some shit.
Yeah, and it's like Gayle King's like secret daughter or some shit like that. Yeah, you already know.
I had her in '95. I was a single mother. I was ashamed.
I didn't know what to do. I left her on the doorstep of the orphanage.
Shout out to I could write. I want to say I could write 20 episodes of Law and Order in an hour.
We could write 20 episodes of Law and Order just by reading AM New York every day. Like if we actually took the time out to take the AM New York from the fucking poor bastard who's standing outside having a
they're a little too aggressive with it. Just put a pile there. I'll take one if I want. Don't force it at me.
They're like, yo, nigga, here, take this shit.
Like, no, I don't want it.
Fam, it's not a 40 cal. Why you
Like,
putting it in
relax.
my face like that?
Relax.
God damn.
My God.
Relax.
We hadn't used it yet, so
You know what I'm saying?
had to get it in there. Woo.
God damn.
Really made
bro.
150 episodes of this.
He's like, yo, son, make that AF. Yo, take this paper.
Relax.
Yo, chill.
Chill, I'm illiterate.
Wow.
Do people still buy newspapers? Yo, I used to buy the newspaper every day. Every day.
Yeah, man.
Now, nah, man. That seems so wasteful.
Well, you know why? Because we.
It's showtime.
You know what I'm saying? We get there's a cerebral cortex.
We are the news, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? It's the USB
We are the
drive.
news.
You know what I'm saying? We make the news.
Woo.
Nigga, stupid. You know what I'm saying?
Talk that shit.
Yeah.
Talk that shit.
All y'all other motherfuckers out here think you making news, your time's up. You know what I'm saying? The fuck up out of here.
Woo.
We the big money boys. We out here. You know what I'm saying? Stupid. We make the headlines, B. We are the zeitgeist, motherfucker. Suck our whole dicks.
Talk that shit, dog.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, y'all niggas' times is up. Yo.
Hip-hop.
When I spit my lyrical dirigible, y'all niggas is individuals. Yo,
plug him in. Plug him in.
Yo, I chuck him. Yo.
Yo, check out my Latino. Check out my Latino.
Yo, check it.
Number one spitting Latino from the Bronx. Give it up.
Yo, give it one time.
Dominican.
Yo, check it out.
Yo, give it up for my man, Dominican Flow Kid.
Yo, your decapitation is the deportation of your head from your body. I take it off with the shotty. Niggas know what time it is when I step in the booth. Yo, it's like a flame proof. Cause I spit fire.
That's lyrics,
I
nigga.
come through
That's lyrics.
like a motherfucking flyer.
Got mad niggas behind you breakdancing and shit.
Yeah, J-Lo doing like mad like shit. You know what I'm saying? With
She comes through like, when I wake up in the morning and I get on the 6 train. I'm like, stop. You don't ride the 6 train no more, J-Lo. She had to Google the shit like, what train goes through the neighborhood where I used to live at when I was poor as shit?
Does J-Lo just stay in Miami now?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, bro.
You could have paid. Yo, when J-Lo came to the Bronx to go to the concert at Orchard Beach, she stayed in her trailer in that Sprinter van.
Let me tell you something.
But no, I'm lying because she be chilling with her sister's house.
Yeah.
And also, don't forget, J-Lo is rich as shit. Like,
Yeah,
I
she's-
totally get it.
Yeah, I get it.
I think she just like occupied the space that Gloria Estefan left in Miami.
Coming out of the dark.
Right?
Yeah. Basically.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, like, if
Do we
you're
all
Puerto Rican-
remember how much J-Lo is worth?
150 mil?
250 mil?
We said 250 mil?
Yeah.
I think Mero might be right.
Yeah.
Ow. No, excuse me. You need to apologize to J-Lo on this International Women's Day. She is worth a healthy $380 million.
Holy shit. Wow.
Right?
Salute
to that Bronx legend.
queen.
My
Yo,
God.
for real.
You know what I'm saying?
$380. And she can't sing for shit. Remember Rosie Perez, like she couldn't dance? But she wanted it.
She made it happen.
Listen, don't let little things like not having talent stop you. Just go. Just go, nigga.
Look at the Kardashians. Look at Kylie, youngest billionaire ever.
Yeah, self-made.
Self-made.
Which people are like, she's not self-made. But the thing is, if she's not self-made, what about Rob? Because think
know what
about it,
I'm saying?
Rob is broke as shit.
You know what I mean?
So if Kylie didn't do anything, wouldn't she be Rob? So she kind of did something.
She kind of did something.
I think people don't, like, she has too much money.
Yeah.
So the idea of her being self-made is like preposterous.
It's obnoxious.
But it's okay because one day we're going to kill all the billionaires and eat them.
That's fine.
I'm not a billionaire yet, so I can say that. So when I become a billionaire, I'm becoming Howard Schultz, and I'm going to change all that shit up. Like, we'll never be Venezuela.
No.
We're not doing socialism. Never. This is the
Never.
capital of this country.
That's right.
All right, why do you people...
Look at Di leaving.
Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here. Go on a bread line. Get out of here.
Yo, just so the viewers at home know, that heavy ass table, she breaks that shit down and moves it. So
I'm gonna show
she's about to do the wild like
Oh my God.
Olaf Jorgensen, like throw you across a river, like strongman competition move when this shit is over.
Yo, shout out to all my Venezuelans out there. I know y'all going through it. You know what I'm saying? Hold your head. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I saw a
We
video
with you,
of them
you know
like
what I'm saying?
eating food out the back of a garbage truck. Like
Yeah,
shit is
shit
wild
shit
down
is
there.
wild down there, bro.
And then
And you know whose fault it is? Fucking America.
woo,
It's your fault.
woo.
It's America's fault because they don't want to see socialism work. They don't want to see democratic socialism. So they want to call everybody a red commie and scare everybody. You know what I'm saying? And then they go in there and they sneak in and they topple governments that could potentially work. You feel me? And they don't give any humanitarian aid to developing nations if they have a democratic socialist alignment.
Speak now. Speak now.
You know what I'm saying?
Mero's preaching shit on niggas.
You know what I'm saying? I also just smoke mad weed.
Socialist Mero. Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo!
Take my money, give it out. Take my money, give it out. And
Woo!
I'm not saying
Kill all the billionaires, boys. Yeah. This is Socialist Boys. Yeah.
Yeah, we're socialists.
Take down the system, bro.
Destroy America. Fuck yeah.
Health insurance for everybody, bro.
Yeah.
Free schools.
Yeah, free school, man.
Vote for Bernie. Let's go. Yeah.
Fuck yeah, Bernie Bros.
They're like, sir, this is a bar. Like, that's not what the internet
I thought
jukebox is for.
this is karaoke.
No, sir, this is not a meeting of the. This is not a meeting of the TSA.
You're not a real patriot.
Get out of here.
You're not a patriot.
Security's dragging me out. I'm like, quick communist.
I'm a patriot.
You communist.
I'm a patriot.
On some real shit,
Man,
that song has some of the darkest lyrics I've ever heard.
Sleep now in the
end of one of
fire.
the verses is I live deep inside your children. They'll betray you in my name.
That's right.
Wow.
And you know the man
Crawling me into tomorrow. I'll drag you to your
white kids
grave.
listen to this. They
Yeah.
definitely bodying their parents after they listen to that shit. And have
The
too
world
many
is my
Mountain Dews.
expense, the cost of my desire. Jesus bless me with his fire and protect me with his fire. So raise your fist and march around. Just don't take what you need. I'll jail and bury those committed and smother the rest in greed. Quarrel with me until tomorrow. I'll drag you into your grave. I'm deep inside your children. They'll betray you in my name. Hey.
Wow.
Sleep now in the fire. That was the original Momo challenge.
And then Tom Morello was like, you know what? I'm gonna smooth this over with these chords, and we're just gonna forget all about that. And we did.
And then he came through. He said, I am the Nina, the Pinta, the Santa Maria, the noose, the rapist, the fields overseer, the agents of Ara, the priest of Hiroshima, the cost of my desire. Sleep now in the fire. Do that shit at karaoke and make everyone super nervous. Like, yo,
okay,
it's like about to shoot the place up.
Yo, for real.
Right.
Listen, Rage Against the Machine.
Goddamn.
Listen, the streets are begging for us to do like an album of some sort. Like,
Yeah,
we're too
we have
skilled.
to do it,
Like we
yeah.
did 2 songs on this thing. We did a beautiful song with John Legend again.
on.
You know,
You know what I'm
Chrissy
saying?
Teigen's husband. And you know, like
We got Ezra on deck. We got so many talented musicians.
sometimes I wake up.
Don
and I'm-
Cheadle plays bass. We had no idea.
Yeah. Sometimes I wake up and like I get nervous at just how talented we are.
Yeah.
It's scary.
It makes me nervous.
Yeah.
Makes me nervous. Makes me nervous.
I mean, you know, we just out here just making content.
Sometimes I just wake up and I'm like, I start sweating and I'm just like, yo,
Relax.
I
you
mean,
be
you
all
know,
right. You know what I'm saying? You got this.
it's crazy because like if you have the opportunity to have like 2 talented people like this on your network and you let them go, you know what you're left with?
Yep.
Yo, it's been episode 150. You know what it is. Bodega Boys in the motherfucking building.
That's right, y'all.
Yes, y'all. You don't stop. Keep rocking and on. It's been your boy, DJ Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat, Cheerio, aka Pocket Stay Fat. Like, here we go. That's right, Nickelodeon. Come on, have us at the Teen Choice Awards. Chris asked for a sling dick. Slow but I might know your bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a rando. That means I'm getting chicken with a chicken. Mio 994 in Nueva York. Mikhail going off to Juve Boss. MC Local P. Put up for 40 with your shorty. AKA don't talk to me in Uber food. I don't know you.
I don't know you.
The original, my +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. That's right. I'm coming with jerk. I guess what's the
Jerk commentation?
Shallow bread? Is that
Jerk commentation?
Yes, there you go. You're gonna be mad fuck when you bite into them. There's a big piece of goat meat.
You're like, yo, what the fuck? Isn't this a pastry?
That's almost as bad as pastelitos with raisins. So I've been told. Jermaine avocado toast.
Wow, that's just the front against humanity.
You know, young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, young Takunu, aka Chile Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Kel, okay, can you
That's
believe that, you know, the Yankees didn't get Manny Machado or Bryce Harper?
can't
Like,
believe it,
they
but
still
you
have
know.
like the 3rd best team in the team, but you
That's
know,
right.
like they really should have.
And they're gonna get Mike Go Fish.
Yes,
Next year.
he good. The fish guy,
He's good.
He's not getting $400 million. He knows that, right? He's not getting $400 million.
I mean,
He's not. I talked to CC about it. He's not. At best, he might get, I want to say $320 million.
yeah, but
But he's
I'm
worth
okay
$4
with
million.
that. Yeah,
I mean, not $4 million, $400 million, excuse me.
I'm okay with that. I'm okay with. You know what it is? This is what makes baseball contracts stupid. They're all 10 years.
Yeah.
I'm like, fam, I'm 30 now. You think I'm gonna be hitting 70 home runs when I'm 40? Like, you're bugging, my nigga. Like, unless I'm on the juice, like,
You know what it is? Because white people made baseball, and white people know, like, after 30 it's all downhill. So the white people was like, I'm going to look out for my other white players. Like, they don't want... Like, how would you feel if, like, fucking, I don't know, Carlos Stanton had to have, like, a second job? Like, he couldn't afford to be a Yankee. Like, this nigga was delivering UPS and shit.
niggas jump up 6 day crib like, yo. You're like, yo,
They got the helmet with the mouth guard. Sign here, please.
Yo, good game last night.
Yo, thank you.
I'm saying you 1 for 4. You know what I'm saying?
Just trying. Yo, Two Phone Jones, Jesus Ain't Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cup, the Home, Dr. Bond is labeled dilute. Also, use a little cocoa butter afterwards because that shit would dry your skin the fuck out. The pH levels of it is stupid. I used it to remove all the makeup that we had on, and that shit was like no problem. But I felt my skin like burning. Like shit. Getting out of the trap, yo. Mr. 240p, because like my Pinot blurry and nasty. That's right. And also, like, if there's hair there, because you know what? Let's be honest. Like, that's how it looks. Like, anything other than that, you know, like, you don't have to. Come on, Ma. You wasting money shaving.
Come on.
All right? I eat unlimited breadsticks in the Olive Garden. You think I'm going to push this up?
Come on, baby.
Yo! How do we do 150 episodes? This is fucking ridiculous that we make money off of this shit. It's DJ Woolite, aka listening to Watch FM. Up next for my youngins, I want people in ATL.
Hey.
Hold on, wait, it's coming.
Hey.
Y'all know about this?
Hey, rich kids in the motherfucker. It's the rich kids in the motherfucker.
All of y'all was like 15 in school. This is old school to new kids now. This is, as they would say, a big tune. Rich kids, what's up?
That's what everybody rap like Chingy.
Yeah, man. That was a great time. We had the long t-shirts. Niggas putting white out on their sunglasses and shit. Why?
Why? What were we doing? What were we doing?
Not even we, like up, down. And I was running through New York with like fucking cornrows and shit. Still had the baby hairs though. Still pretty though.
You know what I'm saying?
The Curry Gold, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hasper, the Bronx, Lean Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You can't contain it. Don't even try it. The Human Baby or the Ja. Young Aaron, the Racist Provocateur, Hedrick Bud Close, Nelson Bank, Della Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the Human Weather's Melting in Your Mouth, Mr. Bex on deck 10, Ricky Tiki Squad, be Greg. That's that little ASMR for you. More says you're the chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi. Not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. Juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peck on the Fashion Over Cash. When you make cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change. Give me big money. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one. Top left, man's is Marv.
To this day.
Churrazuda, holy cow, catch me at the money store. Mrs. South Punk's all I do is count checks and jerk off. That's right. And maybe sometimes at the same time. Hey. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and ooh, it's me, Sunday Day. I contain no juice. David Yerman. This expensive. These is red bottoms. These is blood. These shoes. Smokeem. No, I'm playing in Minnesota now. Cold as shit. Andrew Coonan, and I'll kill you in a cool way. And then dance about it to the Relax song from the 80s.
Relax. Don't do it.
AKA the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down behind me, Charger.
Yo, sit on it. Wine on it.
Call me Pet Cook because I got your bitch on freeze. Yeah. Topic of gossip inside your Shout out to the 11791. All right. You know, you see me, you never see me on the LIRR if that shit ain't peak. You know what I'm saying? All right, $19 tickets and better. And no, I'm not showing you my ticket. I got the app. How you feel?
Look at that.
All right. Now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna listen to Uptown Girl on my way to this Rangers game. Okay, Grandpa joking. When you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. Max, stop eating the kitty litter. Y'all man's dead eye Jesus. Morning, Sheriff. Be a real shame if something that infamil went missing. Let's put Mac hands in my pants. Been shopping that street with bad breeds like I'm easy, please believe it. Woo. A black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic craft medic. Mr. Lamer. Wow. Damn. There might be a curse for the AKAs. everything in the AKAs goes to shit. Joakim Noah, Chris Stafford singing it. La Marina. I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't realize our power. Mr. La Marina, Mr. Marina, fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, the sheet mask killer. Ella. No one could be iller. Shout out to my man Mero doing the wild sheet mask yesterday. Was getting ready for the show. It's a good feeling, right? So good. Listen, go on Amazon. You can get like 30 Korean sheet masks for like $20. That's right. All right? It will help your ugly ass. All right, AKA your problematic bae. Listen, it's not a secret family if you don't send them money. all I'm saying.
You know
That's
what
all
I'm saying?
Up next,
It's your boy.
we got the #1 lyricist in 1987 from East Tremont
Yo, I'm
Houses.
saying, yo.
He battled Schoolie B on Needle Mountain on Fordham Road in front of the Alexanders.
Yeah.
He had on a Kango. Yo, he would have won, but he ran out of D batteries for his
feel me?
boombox.
You
Hip
know what
hop,
I'm saying?
hip hop.
You
Give
know
it
what
up
I mean?
for the damn. If it was the 80s, your name wouldn't be like Kid Mero. It'd be like Kid Love Bug Skarsky or some shit like that.
Yeah,
And you oh my god, you definitely would be into like breakdancing.
100%.
This nigga be here and spinning on his head and
100%.
shit. Oh.
I bring cardboard everywhere.
Everywhere.
I go.
Like this nigga about man. This nigga.
Yo, Crazy Legs, my uncle, yo.
Go, man.
That shit runs in my family, my
Damn,
nigga.
here come this nigga Mero
It's the
again.
elements of hip hop.
You walk in the room, it's like, oh, here come this nigga Mero again. Hey, Mero, hey. Hi, Mero.
Hey, what
I
up?
want to talk to you about, are you going to just pop lock?
Oh,
excuse me.
Hold on, give me a second.
Like, we got to, fam, we got to make a TV show. Sir.
Yo,
are you just going to keep,
check it.
this nigga pop locking for Jesus and shit.
Christ! Died for our sins, nigga.
We love you, Jesus Christ!
This your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the motherfucking human durag flap, aka Donovan McDab, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? AKA skirt loader, jump the curb, hit your fucking Great Dane, and fuck up my car, and then I gotta get out because this shit motherfucking big as shit. But I'm gonna still get out the car and run, nigga. Fuck that, call the police. I know, fuck you, baby, I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying?
Shut up, my nigga.
You know what I'm
Shut
saying? Don't need to check the guest list, nigga, because I am the motherfucking guest list. I was the brave little toaster, nigga. You don't recognize my voice? Huh?
To this day.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, Nate's chop this nigga, man. We ain't going to this fucking whack ass party, aka CC Dab Bathia. You know what I'm
Dab on
saying?
them.
I got the wax on decky, nigga. I'm just, nigga, I'm on
What size
another
edible you
planet,
take?
know
Let
what
them
I'm
know.
saying?
Let them know
You
what
I'm
size
saying?
edible.
225 milligrams or better, nigga.
That's
always
a big.
light, you know what I'm
Listen,
saying?
that
That's
will
that's
that will
baby
have a
shit.
fucking elephant in Smack
You know what
City.
I'm
Let them
saying?
know.
You know
No
what I'm
weak
saying?
edibles here.
Know what I mean?
All right. After this, we going on fentanyl.
That's right. Hold on, wait. Get to the shmoney, the schmuck. It's your boy called me Schmrak. You know what I'm saying? AKA, all my kids got 40-inch Cubans with other kids attached to them as pendants because I'm a motherfucking dad of the year. Stupid.
Wow, I
You know
might
what I'm
have to. I might have to call children's services because those kids might drown from the drip.
You know what I'm saying? The fuck around and drive, trying to follow, ride this wave, nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Smack be on boy, AKA Yayo Maradona, AKA digging your baby motoba, you know, come in this pussy no more, this pussy belong to me.
It's International
You know what I'm
Women's Day. Can't say that.
You know what I'm saying? And since it is International Women's Day, I would say that I retract that statement. Your pussy is yours, and it is your agency alone. That is right. Take, please. I will give you goats. Keep your pussy, please.
A new single on Africa Boy Records.
Jump on with.
Keep your pussy, please.
Okay, Dominicans done down a document daddy, catch me up there with some choppies and shit, you getting in trouble. You know what I'm saying? Get yelled at, get a lot of missed FaceTime calls. You know what I'm saying? For the crib. AK, swipe my card again. There's definitely money on that shit. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking manager. You know what I'm saying? When he comes up here asking for quick selfies, asking me what Brownie got for her birthday. Jeremy. You know what I'm saying? You like your little 7-Eleven cashier job, Jared? Huh?
Is it Jeremy or Jeremy?
I don't
Jeremy
even
or
know. I don't
Jared?
care what your fucking name is, you Yakubian devil. You know what I'm saying? Put the fucking backwards in the crocodiles in the bag and let's keep it moving. Run it. Me, oh, hell, what
No one from the Bronx does a better Pearl Jam than you.
You know what I'm saying?
I will put 1,000 stacks on it.
Throw even flow right now. Let's get it. Throw even flow right now.
Even flow?
Yeah. Let's go. Niggas ain't ready for this. You don't know the breadth of the Bodega Boys universe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Close enough.
Yeah.
It sounds like it.
I
just want anyone, if you ever played Rock Band or Guitar Hero, that's what you sound like.
That's exactly what you sound like.
You thought you were killing it because you was drunk? No. Like they used to have Rock Band at bars. You'd be like, yo, this person is fucking terrible. Now, if you don't mind, it's my turn to sing whole. Don't make me over.
AKO. Okay, Romeo Santos, so Zanny, tu favorito, mami. I'm so nasty. I put your abuela titties over my shoulder like a shawl, nigga.
Wow.
I don't care. I'm wearing Chelsea boots. I do what I want.
This nigga put the titties around his neck like a fucking airplane pillow.
Like a neck pillow, nigga. I don't give a fuck. Look at my Chelsea boots, nigga. They're elastic. They're wild elastic. You stupid? AK Light El Dutchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you broke ass ain't got fun. So come with that money next time, stupid, or else I'm gonna smack the shit out of you. Don't even come in my cipher with no money in the Dutch.
He be smacking people. Don't think because he's on Showtime, don't be smacking people.
Nah, we smacking niggas.
Look how big his hands are. He tore an apple apart.
You know what I'm saying?
On TV.
On TV, nigga. What you think I'll do to your youngest head?
Okay.
Youngest child's head, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
He will play with your clit like a guitar.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a 2 Chainz lyric. Is that also a threat?
Listen. I'm a
be
clitoris.
gentle on it. You're not. Come on, man.
I'll do the Jimi Hendrix shit where he put the shit on his face and he was just like. You know what
See,
I'm
that's
saying?
why we're famous.
You know what I'm saying?
Because where most people would stop.
Yeah.
You just keep going.
Just keep going.
You just
You
keep
know what I'm
going.
saying?
And you're fucking nasty.
I'm a nasty.
The idea that you have 4 kids is disgusting, but that's why you have 4 kids.
That's right.
I can't even. If I don't want to have like a blue light and walk around your house because I know.
You're like, yo,
I'm like this nigga.
Like, damn, nigga, on the
Like,
kitchen
how?
island?
On the roof?
How?
This nigga got a video called Compilation spelled
like,
C-U-M. Yeah, nasty. Yeah. Nasty boys.
Yeah, we out here. AKA Tom Bracey, your girl got my balls deflated, as are Rob Crafts currently.
I only need 10 minutes.
Oh, God, I need to that.
Oh, you're so pretty.
Oh, God, do you listen to Gucci Man like me? AKA Feel the Ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos, consensually, of course. You know what I'm saying? Since this is Women's Month, you know what I'm saying? I want to make sure that the consent is 2 ways. You know what I'm saying? It's a 2-way street. It's 2 of us, and I have respect for you and your agency.
That's right.
You know
That's right.
AKA Lil Snoozy Vert, first nigga to tap out on live. You know what I'm saying?
It's
if
true.
you want to see a nigga fall asleep listening to Playboy Cardi, I'm your man.
That's
you know
right.
what I'm saying?
I'll be on the internet like, yo, y'all want to see a dead body?
AKA Final Mess MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zaniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying?
It's a good place to smoke.
You know what I'm saying? It's good. Also, don't let that roll while you're out there. You know what I'm saying? Get some fucking fusion shit going on. You know what I'm saying? Get a Dominican interpretation of Japanese food. That sounds wild, but it's actually very interesting.
At Mama Sushi.
Hey.
They should have done like they need a mascot like an old Dominican grandma. She's like, oh, Mama Sushi.
Mama Sushi. I'm Mama Sushi. That sounds too much like coochie. It could get confusing.
I mean, from what I'm hearing, what's going on in Uptown, yeah. Okay.
AKA Ben Boston. That was for my ASMR niggas. My hands are gifted. I will surgically enhance your genitalia and your retinas simultaneously, ambidextrously. So that you can fuck with the vision instead of complaining every week like the coward that you are. You foolhardy jive turkey.
Let them know.
Candy, get the fucking strap.
Chop him.
You know what I'm saying? Chop this nigga. AKA, I open your motherfucking medicine cabinet because you know who it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. You know what I'm saying? AKA Rico Sabrosa, AKA Lucius Lion ass nigga, man. Listen, I don't know why he did that shit, man. That's Lee Daniels, man. Come on now. I just show up, take my dream catcher do-rag off, and say my lines, man. Don't be asking me no questions about this nigga no more, man. Come on now. AKA Baby New for 2 for 5. Niggas got garbage down the way. You know what I'm saying? AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. I got shorties backing up. You know what I'm saying? Bodega Boys merch butt nilsy right now. You know what I'm saying? AKA live from Bridges on East Tremont, continuing the Tremont tour, performing for Fremont Liquor. It's the East Tremont with Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your TT is fucking and Dope Sick Love, Don't Let Me Leave.
They done shot Stevie B 4 times. He's still dancing.
I'm out here, y'all. I'm in the 12 bus limited, y'all. I was late. I'm sleeping.
Came through the back door. He don't got the receipt.
Okay, the plan is, listen, man, I started off wrong, mate. Started off wrong. I have to tell you, there's only 2 rock stars left on the motherfucking planet, mate, and it's the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plan takes you been over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. I gave y'all niggas 30 years of my career. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I met my friend, says I'm never gonna fail, and he also told me not to read the comments, and I ignored his sage advice. Now I'm at the crib tight, ready to stab a nigga to death. what I'm saying? But I'm not going to do that because I need to secure the bag. AKA chilling at the crib off edibles, considering the Gaucho's GM position. Opening, it's Barmelos Anthony.
For 3.
Relax.
If you see me at Target, dog, with my eyes redder than a flyover state, opening shit in the dollar section, nigga, with my teeth, approaching me like a motherfucking earth-sign mammal, dog, I may react erratically because I'm off wild edibles and I'm wild fucked up. I don't even know where my kids are, dog. I'm about to go to the register and do a call for them.
Can you do that? How does it work? Like if you're in the department store, because I know, shout out to my sister, the one that's Tonya, the one that's a year older than me. Her favorite activity to do when we went out was to run away from my mother in the department stores and then go to like the courtesy desk and have them request my mother, but she'd say her full Jamaican name and say all 5 of her names, and my mother gets so mad. So do your kids do that?
No. I'd be like, yo, stand right the fuck there.
Nah, we just be shopping and they'd be like, Pamela, Olive, Margaret, and Stacy Ferguson, your child is at the courtesy desk. My mother would be like, what the fuck?
What are you doing?
And she come like, and my sister was like, you can't beat me because the security's watching.
You feel stupid.
And my mother was like, we're going home. And she's like, oh shit.
Oh damn, you fucked up the trip to Caldor, nigga.
My mother would be like, yo, get in the shower before I beat you.
You know what time it is.
No, damn. I'm like, yo, is your flesh supposed to come off like that?
Oh my god,
God damn.
Jesus Christ, it's coming off and it looks like bacon. God damn.
And they'd be like, you know what, you're getting beat just because you're the boy. I was like, the fuck?
Why?
They was like, nah, because you're gonna do bad shit. And I was like, yeah, that's true.
You're probably right. You're probably right. It's preventative care.
I was the last kid out of the 4 to still get beat. And I mean, there was a huge gap. Like there was a time where they was like, yo, I was like, for real? I was like, what about the girls?
You gotta beat them.
They was like, they're girls. I was like, that seems sexist. But let me take off my shirt so you can whip me with this belt.
AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire for me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up to your kid's party after it's over, and for my grand finale, I will urinate on myself and steal things from your house and then forget I was even there. And then I'll call you a week later asking for payment. No, you're not getting your deposit back. Suck my dick.
He stole my house phone and a printer.
Yo, yes I did.
Benzo the Clown was still like just a house phone and a fucking inkjet printer and shit.
Like half a sample out the fridge and shit.
He took 1 Sonos.
What's wrong with him?
Gotta go. He's trying to steal the fucking bouncy house. He hooks it up to the back of him.
I'm like sitting on this shit to deflate it faster. Like,
hurry up, they're coming.
I gotta go. Hey guys, hey kids.
Hey, you want to buy a bouncy house? We need to stop the bullshit. Just make the Benzo the Clown sitcom.
Okay, I'm so fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper, bro. He's high on fish tank water that I just emptied out the fish tank and Delsim. I don't even know what that is. I just found it in the medicine cabinet.
Is that for like sleeping? That's either for sleeping or like softening your stools.
Either or.
Listen, be careful.
Either or, you about to drop some shit in the booth.
Because listen, I don't. It's one thing if you fall asleep on the gram. I don't want you all like on IG Live taking the wild shits. I'll drive to Jersey to check on you. Mero's on there like smoking like, yo, what y'all want?
Like, oh shit, oh my bad, yo, we can't hear you over the farts, Matt Comments.
Mero.
Yeah, so like the show, boom. So listen, I'm just telling y'all, tune in like about an hour. We gonna be live. You know what I'm saying? Showtime. What? You can't hear me? Is it the music? I'll turn the music down.
Is there someone in your house? Like we're picking up something on the mic. It's
Is it what?
It's not your chains. It's flatulence.
Oh shit!
Is that? Did you have milk last night?
Yeah, I had a bowl of Cocoa Pebbles. Oh shit! Damn. Oh no, that was it. That was the one.
So it came out.
That was the
so
one.
It came out.
Yeah. I gotta go.
We got a turtle head over here. We got a turtle head.
I gotta go.
Yeah,
I gotta go.
Mero needs to change your wardrobe.
Yeah, please, quickly. Somebody bring some depends. AKA Hasan, tírame la pita, coño.
Let's go.
Llega el Instituto FIFA, coño, tú sabes qué es lo que es. Tú estás en baja y yo caliente, estás de cloro, mamahuevo. Andamos un paquete buscando cuarto y vereando gente. Así que manga tu caminado, camina bacano para no ponerte en mochila, para no ponerte una fucking mochila de plomo, palomazo, coño, mamahuevo. Yo, rapa tu tío, ratrero, lambón, busca sonido del otro lado. Si te veo, te voy a sazonar, mamahuevo. Shout out a la casa, shout time. You know what I'm saying?
Showtime.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out Cash Out. You know what I'm saying? My niggas over there. know what I'm saying? Shout out, como siempre, shout out Los Me. Shout out DJ Hasan y Seña que pone la nota, coño. Shout out Basti, shout out Jubilee, shout out Beanies. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Dímelo, shout out Broquete, el Capitán. Shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa activo con el cañón. Me quité ya. International Women's Day, B. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all my broads. You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all my broads with the good gams. It's your day.
If you see them out there,
you know what it is.
Say, how can I help you?
You know what it is.
Not in a street harassing way, but just be like, yo, is there anything I can do for you? Would you like me to shine your shoes, perhaps?
For all my broads, you know what you do? You treat yourself to a white wine and 4 cups of coffee and a raw steak today because you earned it, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
Get yourself a Virginia Slim, you smoke it, and you go make your husband dinner. Mwah.
That's right. Good night, ladies and gentlemen.
Good night. Also, again, because a lot of work went into this shirt, I want you to catch the shirt.
Look at this. Look at this. You know what it is.
If you don't know where that's from, here's a little audio. We out.
Holla.
You know, I just realized you don't have to.